Welcome back to Nelson's Wireless. If you're looking to boost your internet speed and security, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your DNS settings to Google or Cloudflare in just a few easy steps. First, let's talk about DNS, the domain name system. It's like the phone book of the internet, translating domain names into IP addresses so your browser can load websites. By switching your DNS to Google or Cloudflare, you can speed up your internet, enhance security, and even reduce lag while gaming. Now, let's get started. Here's how to change your DNS settings on Windows or Mac. Windows, right-click the Wi-Fi icon and select Open Network and Internet Settings. Mac, go to System Preferences, then click Network, click on Change Adapter Options, Windows, or select your active connection, Mac. For Google DNS, enter these numbers: preferred 8.8.8.8, alternate 8.8.4.4. For Cloudflare DNS, use these preferred 1.1.1.1 on it. One saw I saw the sun isn't is this is that's all R.0.1, and there you have it. You've just optimized your internet for better speed and security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Before you go, here's a quick tip. Use a DNS benchmark tool to find the fastest DNS for you. Links are in the description below. Thank you for tuning in to Nelson's Wireless. Stay awesome and blessed, and I'll catch you in the next video.